Let's say you have a mesh, a cube, or a door to carve something on it. The first thing you need to add is some subdivisions. Whether it's in edit mode, right-click and subdivide, or a better option is to use the multi-resolution modifier because it also applies to sculpting, which is what we want. The modifier works like the subsurface one, and you just need to set a max level on 7 or 8, which you can edit later. Now if we switched to sculpting and turned on the statics, you will see some high poly count on this cube. And we need that. Maybe not that many, but the more subs you have, the smoothest the result you will get. The tool we need to use is the mask tool. Select it from the sidebar, make the strength on 1, and set the radius on a low value, maybe 5 or 10. In the stroke menu, change the method from space to line so we can get sharp drawing, or stay on the default for free motion. You can now select a face, and with the left mouse button click and drag to draw anything you want. Maybe add runes to your so-called fantasy environment, and you can have a reference on the side if you suck at it. Nothing weird about that. Just watch me. Once you're done sketching, go to the mask menu and invert the mask to make the drawing highlighted, then search for the mesh filter in the toolbar. Stand over the drawing and click with a drag to either carve the shape inside or make it pop out depending on the mouse movement. Now once we clear the mask, you will get something like this, which is dope. However, if you want to give material to the carving, you need to apply the modifier, then use the coplanar similar face selection to highlight all beside the carving, and the rest are just assigning it to a new material. That's it. If you want to do something similar to this, but with PNG images, watch this video. Remember to like and sub if you're still here, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.